Profits Kit is a membership website that's designed to help new and somewhat new affiliate marketers find the tools that they need for making a successful business out of affiliate marketing. The membership site comes with two different layers. The first are standard modules, which cover everything in a handful of modules broken up nicely. The second is premium modules, which are all video content produced exclusively for the Profits Kit site. We also have resources, and in our training center, there's about 10 different video training series that are available for you. There's also a list of ebooks. There is a link to go and download plugins. There are over 40 in the list. We also have a blog, which is catered towards SEO, affiliate marketing, tips and tricks, things of that nature. If we go look at the home page, it gives us some details about the benefits of being a member and tells the story of what it is that made Profits Kit come into reality. Some nice fun facts as well. Give you an example of the number of modules, the premium training videos, and what you'll find in the resources section. Now, under the standard modules, several of these are marked as free, so that way you can give Profits Kit a try before you commit to buying a membership as either a standard member or a premium member. And keep in mind, standard members have access to all of these modules, even the ones that are not marked with free. We cover autoresponders, the basics of a website, why you may need a link tracker and how to use it. There's a module about affiliate programs and how to find high-paying programs. And then Module 5, which is all about traffic, is broken up into 4 sections. We cover free traffic sources, some inexpensive sources, solo ads, what they are and how to use them, and then several other traffic sources also that include some other safe lists and some paid services. Module 6 covers sales funnels, what they are, why people use them, how to use them, and where you can go about getting some information regarding where to acquire sales funnel software. And finally, Module 7 is sort of a freebie where you can jump in, join the Facebook group, and share your wins and losses and tips and tricks with other people who have jumped into the Profits Kit Affiliate Marketers Toolkit program. Under the premium modules, we show videos that discuss domain name hosting and setting up WordPress sites, a little deeper dive into WordPress setup, and we also cover how to install Google Analytics on your account so you can begin to track what users are doing when they visit your website, your blog, and your affiliate links. In Module 3, we cover creating click tracking links. We discuss ClickMagick and also Bitly, although there are plenty of others out there. Module 4 shows a video of how to find higher paying affiliate offers. Also in Module 4, we cover how to add affiliate links to your WordPress site, including links from Amazon, ShareASale, CJ, and so on. Module number 5 discusses Herculist. Module 5B covers Fiverr traffic and Upstart. We discuss in this module solo ads, and we also give some video examples from other safe lists and pay lead sources. And the final module is all about search engine optimization. And that includes things such as how to use Yoast SEO, how to write blog posts that are keyed into specific keyword phrases or target words. We talk about some of the tools that are available. Some are free, some are paid. And every step of the way, I try to guide you into the free options first, since most of you may be starting out in your affiliate marketing career. Perhaps you don't have the capital to go in and buy a very expensive tool. So I always try to find a free alternative for you to check out before making a commitment into a tool. Login is very simple. We just have a login script here. It takes you straight to the login page. Pop in your username and password. The registration page is also very easy. By creating an account here, it defaults to creating you a free membership. In order to access the paid standard membership or the premium membership, you'll be able to do so using the Warrior Plus buttons that we've got on the sales page. And you can also upgrade your membership at any time by going to the members options area and using any of these buttons down below. So let's talk quickly about some of the additional training that you'll get as part of a standard and premium member. Under our resources section, the training series covers things such as list building, affiliate funnels, some generic information about affiliate lifestyle secrets and affiliate marketing with Rakuten. We cover ClickBank marketing secrets, Instagram affiliates, the modern affiliate marketing platform, on-page SEO, which is very important these days, some proven affiliate marketing concepts, and also ways that you can monetize YouTube. Just as a quick example, let's jump into one so you can see exactly what it is that you get. So each one of these modules is broken up into its own video. We'll click onto one so you can see what you'll get here. This particular video is about 4.5 minutes long, and there are perhaps 10 different videos in this series. So not only do you get the standard modules, which is detailing exactly what it is that you need to start doing affiliate marketing, but premium members get our custom-made Profits Kit video training, and everyone has access to these free training bonus courses right here on the site. So there's a lot of value here in the Profits Kit membership. Even from the free standpoint, you get access to 4 different modules. The premium is over 2 hours of video content specifically designed to go hand in hand with the standard modules. And everyone has access to these video courses, ebooks, plugins, as well as the blog, which covers SEO and other affiliate marketing tips and tricks. So jump on over to profitskit.com today, give it a look, and I hope you enjoy.